Thank you for tuning in, Patreon fans. And so, as you can see, we're going to design and show you what we're doing live on the spot in the mall. I'm going to show you the design experience and what it takes to be in the mall, in the retail game, from beginning to end. You're going to follow me from now all the way through the Christmas season. I got this. We're going to show you everything that I know, and hopefully we're going to learn some things on the way. I can't wait to have your support. Thanks again.
Please subscribe so that we can blow up this channel. Have a good day.